Hey, what's going on, family? How y'all doing? We at Wendy's.
That's how they start eating.
I got me a son of a baconator. Y'all see that?
You gonna get full off that. So you talking about 4 for 4.
I was better off getting my normal 4 for 4.
You gonna get full off that, okay?
She got the jalapenos. You need to show them your burger.
I think it's a jalapeno with some bacon there too, I think.
No wonder yours look bigger.
You should have got what I got.
Oh, look at that. Oh, compared to me.
She should have got what I got. That's her fault.
They cheated me.
No, feed yourself.
Have a bite. And I didn't even ask for extra mayo.
I asked for extra mayo. So, you want some? Take it down. Sorry.
Oh! Y'all see how she do, y'all? And I got a Coke.
See, I get full off this.
Ooh.
Because this is double.
This is double too, but it's little.
No, you got the, I got the son of baconator. You just got the baconator.
I was supposed to get the son of baconator.
This not yours though, this mine.
I was supposed to get the son of baconator.
No,
It's just a regular
you
one.
You just said baconator. You did say something.
No, I said son of baconator.
No, you didn't.
It's on my receipt.
Now, what did it say?
Son of baconator.
The first order. This my. I got the first.
This is
order.
mine.
Oh, okay, well that's what you got then.
So you got the baconator.
Yeah, this the baconator. Well, she know y'all. Y'all see how good that
Y'all
looks?
see I'm fussing because look at mine to her. Look at that. Look at yours. Put yours up there. I don't like
That's her fault.
Family, I hope y'all having a good day today. All I've been doing is running him around today. Ain't got a chance to work yet.
What you looking at me for?
Because I can.
No others would took up all your time. Not me. I just got the top.
You hear her? And she taking up the rest. Look at them.
She can't help herself. She gotta say something.
Kevin missed you. You can say hi to Kevin. You can't say hi. Because live don't work
Hi,
well.
Kevin. I am so sorry, brother. I am so sorry. Yesterday, no, what was that? The other day, I was in my little depressed mode.
And fast break nature. And Josiah always talking about doing prank. I can't tell you the prank. You don't read the comments, so.
How you know what I don't read?
Yeah, I'm gonna get them. Good.
They make their stuff fresh.
Not as
And
fresh
it's
as the
good.
other one down there on Route 30.
But mine is fresh and good. I don't know what you talking about.
How you finished before me?
Because I was hungry. I ain't eating on all day.
I didn't want to say that.
I did eat nothing.
I need some dipping sauce.
This is my first time eating today.
You should have went back and got us some ranch.
My fries gone.
You want some more? Their fries is fresh.
They fresh. They ain't nasty. I ain't never had no complaints every time I put in this one.
Hey, you demolish that fast.
I been eating them all day. I just said I ain't eating them all day.
Wow.
I ain't eating them all day. That's what comes with when you don't eat all day.
Mm-hmm.
And it's your first time eating. First meal of the day.
Are you on a diet?
No, I ain't even say it.
Look at her on the phone. Look at her. Family. Look at her. Texting. Bad enough y'all don't see her, but look at her.
Y'all, this lemonade good. This peach lemonade. Every time y'all go to Wendy's, get peach lemonade. Be fine.
Look at her. Ain't came up for a breather. Is it hot out here to you? If I turn off this damn ash, you'll feel it. Mm-hmm.
It's good. Is my nose spread?
Why does your nose be spread? I don't like her, y'all. I really don't. I love her.
Ooh, that dead boy.
That's
They
my
got
last
that
good
boy.
food.
I got that dead boy. Got that dead boy.
Get your hands out of my face. I don't know where your hands have been.
First of all, I took a shower, so it's been in some water and soap.
And
So what is you talking
I
about?
don't know if you be digging or what. She love aggravating me.
To the end of the road.
Family, I'm gonna leave them. They gonna miss
and I
me.
can't let it go. I love my mama, y'all. You know she get on my nerves. I still love her though. You only get one mama. Y'all better cherish y'all mama. Each and every day. Cause you don't know when the time go come, you ain't gonna be able to do it. I wasn't drinking water. Well, I've been drinking too much water. I ain't even have no. I forgot how juice even tastes. I haven't had juice in so long.
Yeah, that's stop.
I know that's why I'm cleaning it out. I got this.
Family, I don't know why it be seem like it be dark.
It's not dark. Your brightness is probably low.
No, it's not.
Or your head is covered in the sun.
Family, y'all see she gets on my nerves.
Or your head is blocking the
I
sun.
still got a little bit more fries to go. I like these fries better than McDonald's.
Yes. No, I like Burger King fries. I feel like Burger King got the best fries, y'all.
Really? They fries get hard as hell.
I don't know. When they fresh, they be good.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody say they love McDonald's fries.
McDonald's fries ain't real. Mm-hmm. I don't know what kind of potatoes they use at McDonald's. But if you sit, they did a study on it. If you sit McDonald's fries out.
It's not real food.
Well, we eat real food.
We not eating real food.
We don't
at
know what
all.
the hell
we
we
don't know
eating.
what we eating, okay?
We sure
All
don't.
this food is not healthy. Even the goddamn vegetables ain't healthy for you.
Unless you growing them yourself.
Yeah, because you don't know what you eating now. You just don't. People they spraying stuff on the food. We probably eating humans.
Don't play that.
You never know. Probably eating toenails.
Well, I hope they some clean toenails. She cannot stay off this damn phone. I'm gonna break
She
it.
talking about breaking my phone.
I am gonna break her phone.
How you gonna break my phone? I pay my own phone bill.
I don't give a damn.
Answer that. How you gonna break somebody's phone and I pay my phone bill?
I don't care.
You don't pay it. I don't.
She don't give me no time. I was on the phone.
I do give you 10.
When?
Huh? What you mean when? Why is you burping in my face?
Well, family, we love y'all. And you know y'all be.
Who you finna try? Who you finna try?
She finna get her ass.
Who you
That's
finna
what she
try?
gonna
Who you finna try? Who you finna try? Who you
I'm
finna try?
you.
Yeah, I know I like messing with her. That's gonna be my new song, y'all. We gotta wait till the album drop. It's that chicken good. That's gonna be on the album. And who you finna try? I gotta come up with some verses to it. But that's gonna be on the album too, so y'all gotta stay tuned.
She's a hot mess, ain't she?
Just
But
saying.
family, we love y'all, and we'll be coming to y'all later. Please get some thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know what it is, what it do. Let me know. Subscribe if you're not a part of your faith family. Hit that notification bell.
Yeah, make sure y'all do that.
I don't know who she talking to. Tell her she don't come on here enough.
I do come on.
When?
I come on when I come on. Okay?
Whatever.
I come on when I come on.
Family, I love y'all, and I'll be seeing y'all later. Peace out.